Hi guys, we are Team Terror. We've made a few adjustments since the pre-duel competition. So obviously we have added in some background sound and also sound effects to the pieces moving. We've changed up the lighting a little bit. We've also done a lot of improvements to the AI, so it's moving a lot faster today. The lag is a lot less. In the background, once we get done like playing the game and stuff, we have the beginning models to our opponent, King Mortis, and we've also got some work done on the cheating mechanics, so we'll show that soon.
Basically, for the cheating mechanics, if you're looking away from the board, so if you're dealing with a monster that we're going to add or one of the other threats, then he'll get more and more tempted to cheat the longer you look away. And once he actually cheats, which he can do one of three things: he could remove a piece from the board, he can add a piece to the board, and he can just do the next move that he would like to do, ignoring that it's your turn. It gets harder to, I wasn't paying attention, but he, I believe, this one. Are you saying this one?
I think so. Was that there before?
Apparently that was not it. And I'm just gonna demonstrate it by using the link board, because yeah, he cheated somehow, and I just was not paying attention enough. So basically, if you fail to call out the move, it's the cheat, it becomes permanent, and he can then cheat again the next time you're looking at it. If you fail to call it out by picking the wrong thing, or if you progress the board when the cheat's already there, it's considered accepted and you can't call it out anymore. So here he decided to do a move early, which is, even though it's white's turn, he decided to move this knight and progress it. You can call it out by either selecting the empty spot or where it moved to, and it will undo the move because you declared it correctly. But yeah, do we want to talk about the
Yeah.
Okay, so for the AI, we have improved it greatly since the last time we presented. Before, it struggled with seeing white moves because I had a typo, but now it looks at both black's best move and then white's best move and then black's best move and then white's best move. Currently in this version, up to a depth of 4, we can change that, but because the algorithm uses the best moves from each possible board, and there's like average of 30 moves per board state that a player could do, or that the AI could do, it's exponential in the worst way. So it takes longer the deeper it goes. Right now, it's pretty fast because, okay, the cheating is apparently a little buggy, but I think that what happened there was that it decided to, it was in the middle of doing a cheat. But it currently only takes, yeah, like a second or two to actually do the moves, which is really good. It can do checkmates. Basically, if it sees that in the future white doesn't have an available move, it'll read that as a checkmate and proceed to do the moves to get to that point. And yeah, it's getting harder and harder to beat every time I improve the AI. We've also done like a reduction to the search using something called alpha beta pruning, which is basically, it looks at the previous moves and that it's gone through, and if a white player has like a guaranteed max, or if the black player has a guaranteed minimum for the evaluation of the board, it won't bother looking through the branches that are better or worse, depending on which team it is. So, yeah. The AI is pretty much where we want it to be.
Yeah.
So.
And everything is like created by us, all the modeling and all the AI work Brandon's been doing in Tiki. And the audio is like royalty free and everything like that. So yeah.